Tell him you're sorry for hurting him in the
Jake, knock it off.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Jackson, tell us what you got for Christmas. What did Santa give you?
iPod.
What is it?
An iPod.
Can you look at the camera when you talk?
An iPod.
What do you get to hear? Play something for us. We can hear it on the video.
You got like...
You can't hear it unless it's in the earbuds.
Well, then put the earbud up to the microphone.
Durr. Okay.
What'd you get, Hayden?
Lightsaber and boxing things and a football.
A lightsaber? What's a lightsaber?
It's a
is
fighting
that?
Lightsaber.
He's got
What-
one just like
what
you, but
movie
it's
is it
red
from?
and blue.
His changes colors?
Uh-huh.
Whoa.
I don't think you'll be able... Is there like a mic?
Yeah, there's a microphone.
You got like...
Right here.
You got like...
Hey, you!
Turn it up
I see
loud.
you in the morning,
What
huh?
is this like?
Hey,
I see you in the morning.
I got a
she can't
football.
say Uncle Shane yet. Oh, you can say Uncle Shane. That's how she can say. Morgan, Uncle Shane. Uncle Shane. Not yet. We're getting there.
What are you playing? What's the name of the song?
Route 66.
Route 66? Turn it up loud.
Hey, I want to hear it.
I guess I was.
You already heard it. Didn't you already hear this song?
Can I be back now?
Airbuds.
What did you get, Jake?
Art
Christmas?
set.
An art set? Are you going to be an artist?
I'm gonna. Well, it has a notebook, a tiny notebook
Yeah.
with it. So, and I just love it. And it's.
Let me see your t-shirt. What's it say? The Miracle in the Mountains, October 23rd, 1973.
You will.
What's the next?
You'll either be back
Is that from Marshall?
your choice.
We'll have to look that up. Say, we are Marshall.
We are Marshall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scooter.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. What's up?
What's your girlfriend's name? What's your girlfriend's name? Say Merry Christmas to your girlfriend. What's her name? Trudy?
Merry Christmas, whatever.
Whatever is your girlfriend's name? Say Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
Is that the football you got? Let me see. Let me see your football. Hold it up so we can see it. We can't see the... It's a Wilson 1001. Whoa.
You know what I got? I got a lump of coal.
Uh-oh.
That was a
Grandpa.
bad one.
Hopefully it was chocolate.
Hopefully it was chocolate coal. Chocolate covered.
Morgan smells good.
Shannon got that when we were playing a game
What?
called Left and Right.
Got what?
We got the coal.
Say Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Oh, look at the pretty Christmas tree
I got
right here.
We got Disney
The
Infinity.
angel on top.
We got Disney Infinity. Yeah.
You got Disney Infinity?
Yeah, you got Mario.
No.
I got this kind of like coloring board with.
I think we're going to have to come start staying at your house now.
I think it's gonna have to be the other round.
Because that's cool.
Box.
What characters did you get?
Mike Wazowski.
You got Mike Wazowski. That Chris likes Mike Wazowski.
And
And
Sully,
shit.
Jack Sparrow, and
It was a
Mr.
Christmas
Incredible.
present.
Whoa.
Yeah,
James comes with us three guys.
Sully.
Yeah.
And,
Mr.
You got Sully too?
yeah. And we've got Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow?
Yeah. And we've got.
Two other ones.
What was the other one?
Mr. Incredible.
Lightning McQueen?
No.
Incredible.
Mr. Incredible?
Get that one.
Yeah, the dad of Mr. Incredible.
Okay, time to go eat.
Alright, you guys normally can, you guys can, and we can have the three of us down there.
Time to eat.
I got this kind of
Am I sitting here?
too.
You know,
Inject
we can.
it.
Ooh, look at the nice
Okay.
turkey.
Mine can go over
filter
here.
You guys can move there and she can move here.
Mine can go
So are
over
we
here.
sitting here and here?
Hey,
where we're
Jake,
saying
come
we
all the
sit
way over
there?
by Dad. Come over by Dad.
Is that where we're sitting?
How you been?
Good.
She has to go down.
Severe close-up.
Okay.
You know, I got this
Slide that
kind
seat
of
Outside.
up.
thing too.
Slide that over.
Snowing.
Slide. Where did these little robots go?
You want to fill up after this?
Jackson, purple bow. Dad, there's one right here. Oh, hi.
Or over here.
I'll just sit over here. I'll sit sitting down here.
That's what I
Mom
said.
and Dad there,
Oh,
so
okay.
she'll sit back
You
here
guys
with the
sit on
boys.
the stage.
Why don't you?
Because Grandma and Grandpa are sitting right there.
Sit there.
Yeah, Jake, move down.
Slide over, Jake. You can help
We
Jake.
can
though.
eliminate
Yeah,
one
I'm
of
not
them.
helping Jake. Hey,
You're gonna have to.
You can help Jake. And Shane,
pour
you
too
can
many
sit there
cups
by
then?
Slide over.
her.
Is that cup have water
Jake,
in it?
slide over one.
Why don't you
Jackson.
scoot down and
Slide over one more,
trade
okay, buddy?
plates and Shannon can.
Here, stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand
I
up.
didn't think he could handle a big glass. I thought that would be a little hard for
Oh,
him.
and
Stand
this
up,
has
dude.
water in it too.
Wrong plate, Hayden.
Stand up, Hayden.
Wait,
Jake,
wait, down
or
one.
slide over. Here.
You gotta take care of Jake.
Okay, now
I get
just
to
trade.
Honey,
No.
Scoot down.
I think his shirt,
It
there.
says
That
Miracle.
works.
Miracle in the Mountains,
Shannon's gonna sit right next to
1973.
me.
That's from We Are Marshall.
Oh, is it?
That's when Marshall won the game, yeah.
That's a good
Maybe if you
movie.
wanna sit-
I think so.
Booster seat.
Really, they get a plane crash. That's tragic.
I know. My sister went to that university,
Yeah,
and that statue is still there. And they do that
Otherwise, if he doesn't,
every year. They
Too tight.
remember
he
those
can't
people.
reach very well.
I got Bob.
Have you ever
Too
seen
tight
Remember
for
the
you. The seat
Titans?
itself?
Uh huh.
That's a good movie.
Well, then
too.
where's the other
It's a funny
things
movie
in
too.
your shop that he can sit?
We watched it the
Because
other
that's
day.
too tight around him.
I got my old foot.
Tell you what,
Jack's got a new soccer ball.
Okay, stand up.
He does?
put that one down and we'll get.
Disney and
Morgan.
we got Mario Bros too.